What's up, guys? Welcome to Unscripted Kitchen. Today we are making balsamic vinaigrette. Super simple. Please stop wasting money and buying ridiculously horrible vinaigrettes that come in the bottle with a list of 20 different ingredients to make things that only take 2 ingredients. You can make it yourself at home. It is so simple. We're going to do it right now. And you could just store it in a bottle like this and keep it in your fridge and squeeze it out whenever you want to. So I'll go ahead and get ready. And there is, of course, a secret ingredient to making any vinaigrette just a little bit better. So we're going to start off with just the basics, right? Extra virgin olive oil. You only need a half a cup. Now you could take this recipe and make it bigger if you want to, but this should be a perfect amount that'll get you by for quite some time. I'm putting it in the clear there so you can kind of see everything. The balsamic vinegar, 1/4 cup. And I do salt and pepper to taste. I'm kind of a bit of a pepper fan, but you could do about a 1/4 teaspoon or so, just kind of depending on how much you actually, what's your taste preference, and some salt. That's your basic vinaigrette right there, right? The one secret ingredient that you could use to make any vinaigrette just a little bit better: fresh garlic. Fresh garlic will make any vinaigrette seem so much better. It's so easy. I have about 2 cloves in here. I'm just gonna kind of scrape it out, put it in there. And that's really all you need. We're just gonna whisk this for about 30 seconds. You could use a hand blender, but whisking it by this only takes about 20-30 seconds. That's all you really need. I'm gonna take this from this container, since I have it, into a pourable vessel. I'm going to put it right into this little squeeze bottle. You can get these on Amazon, super cheap. Yes, they are plastic, but you know what? Everybody needs to stop with that ridiculousness of it's leaching and it's doing that. If you don't put them in the dishwasher, you're fine. Yes, if you're putting them in the dishwasher and they're getting super hot and then cold and hot and cold, eventually they could leach out. But if you're just using it for everyday purposes like this and you're keeping it clean and they're not going in the microwave, you're fine. Don't let people scare you into things. That's it. It's in the bottle. You put the lid on, give it a little shake. You got balsamic vinegar to go in the fridge for quite some time. You could double this recipe. You could make it smaller if you want, whatever's going to fit best for you. Keep it in there for about a week or so. It'll be fine. No added preservatives, nothing in there. You are literally only making extra virgin olive oil, balsamic, salt and pepper, and garlic. So easy. You could do this yourself, and it's so much better than all the store brand stuff you're ever going to get. I'll put the recipe below because I think a lot of people were kind of not liking too much on my whiteboard. Although I think some people say they do like it. But for me, the whiteboard is a little piece of old school without having everything being so digital. It's like my lesson plan where I get to actually write things out and make it easy for me to kind of visualize what I'm about to do. So thanks again for watching. Super easy. I'll put up some other actual dressings that are actual more intricate versus just olive oil and balsamic. But this recipe I find to be pretty tasty. It's the right ratio of olive oil to balsamic for me. Let me know how it works out for you.